Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I got more professional than me. Let me see this. That's hilarious. Why didn't you use the tube?
The tube don't open up for some reason. I don't know. Pistons gonna look fucking brand new.
Alright.
Started up, but I'm gonna show you where the smoke comes from now.
Seafoam, man.
That's gonna do its thing.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna do my thing.
You put into the brake booster? He said, nah. So he's showing me his method of how he uses the Seafoam. And I'm pretty sure he's right, because this car's 97, y'all. I gave this to him 2.5 years ago, man, and he's beating it up. But if you know anything about cars, man, this engine and the way he took care of this is amazing. And everything I've taught him how to do, I did half of the jobs, but he's did most of them. And I'm very happy. Go ahead, move up then. Stepped in shit. It's good luck. Don't worry about it. My son is real professional. Yeah. Who told you to put this in there again?
There's a mechanic that worked. That used to work in my own house. I mean, I used to live in my own house.
What? What? That's so smart. Nah, that's smart.
Once we get vacuum, that should come out there in a second.
That makes sense. That's it?
I mean, I could have put more. I already put
You gotta put in the fuel tank though.
I could throw the rest in there, yeah.
Supposed to.
I mean, none of my shit.
Yeah, you clear your fuel lines, oil
What I
lines,
did before, I did my
and your vacuum. That's pretty good.
I put some cat cleaner in there. Not too long ago. That's how I know. It shouldn't go right.
I see it, yeah.
See it? I didn't put a lot, but if I had put like half the bottle, you would have good enough.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. So what about the one that you put into the intake? You did that one?
That's basically intake.
But I'm saying you didn't do the other one with you put it into the throttle while the car is revved up at 200, 2,000 RPMs.
What to put it though?
Now you take this out and it's a hose you put in the shit and it keeps your throttle open. Yeah, bro, I did it. It made my truck almost burn up, bro. Everything RPMs went up crazy. Crazy. I thought that's the one you did. I thought you did that one. You should try it. You don't want to try it? I mean, maybe it's the same thing because you put it into the vacuum.
Yeah, it's still intake at the end of the day.
That makes sense.
So yeah, you want to put half your bottle in this. You feel me? What I do with the Seafoam, put half your bottle in here, the same amount of ounces, the same amount of gallons. You put in your oil, then just throw the rest in your gas tank. You should be fine. And don't forget to do the oil change 100 to 300 miles.
300 miles. Yep, that's true. That is true. That's good. See, told me something about the vacuum because I didn't know where to put it, but that makes sense. Definitely makes sense.
If you definitely put half of your bottle, you would see. Like, if I would have put that shit,
No, I would have kept it.
If I would have kept it going,
Yeah.
you'd have start seeing actually white smoke from the cat converter.
Yeah.
All that shit.
Yeah, because it would have been burning up. All that should have been burning up. That's good, though. All right. All right. I like it. I like it. So.
I'm going to keep a 97 running from this
for this long, exactly.
Somebody came to me the other day and was like, yo, that's probably the best 97 Camry engine he ever heard in his life.
Exactly. Silent is on, y'all, too. Silent. Nah, you did a good job. You definitely did a good job.
And I still didn't even change my coils. I still got to change my coils. I just replaced one.
Nah, it's a good job, bro.
No way.
Yeah. Nah, you did your thing with this one, and I'm happy for you. That shit's crazy. You see the 97 right there. This shit is... It's cosmetically beat up. But it was running. It's doing its thing, man. Yeah, let's go. We out here. Oh, yeah, I got some that. Go and get something to eat. And then, on to the next one. Yeah. You gonna show something else?
Look, upstate, man, it's a little cold, alright? I had to get a new heater cool. It's so bad.
You gonna show it to me? You gonna show it to me?
It was too big. Feel me? I got a heater cool that was too big. I couldn't put the clamps that's supposed to go on the hose. So like to make the hose connect, there's like a little clip before you put on that clamp. That's the only thing that's on it. Just that little clip.
That's the clip.
Once that clip just busts open, I hear by my leg, it's over.
It's over.
It's over. But look,
It's over. We got heat though, so
I got heat.
That's what's up.
Shit feel nice.
Oh, what you trying to get?
I had Subway's in a minute. I had Popeyes in years. I can only have Popeyes when I'm in here.
You out here.
Popeyes is free.
So you want Popeyes?
Oh, yeah.
We're Popeyes on Broadway. It's 11 o'clock.
Flowers today.